So there's this amazing Japanese philosophy called Kaizen, and it's known as the cure for laziness. And we've used that philosophy to build part of our methodology with our daily habits routine. So in the Warrior Academy, what we do is we teach students a daily habits routine that follows the 3 C's. That's confidence, conduct, and concentration. So the idea is that, with this philosophy of Kaizen, it's very, very easy to do something for 60 seconds each day. But it's really hard to stick to something when it's 10 or 20 minutes or longer. And doing that every day is actually quite difficult. So what we like to teach our students is a very, very simple routine. And it's something they do every single morning before they leave their room, before they leave the house. And the idea is that it's something they can achieve. So they achieve something straight away before they begin their day. And that creates this snowballing effect of positivity, which really gives them a kickstart for the day. So the way that we teach this is we obviously follow the 3 C's: confidence, conduct, concentration, and we ask them to do one exercise for each of the C's. So the first thing is building confidence, and we find that doing something physical is a really great way to build confidence. So something simple like 10 press-ups, students can build on it every single week, and that really is a great way to make them feel stronger and more confident. The next thing is to improve concentration, and we find teaching students to meditate really helps with that. So something like 30 seconds meditation can really help improve their concentration and focus. And the final thing is conduct. Now there's 2 ways you can look at this with conduct. One of them, we ask our students to do something around the house, like laying the table for breakfast or tidying their room, which helps out other people as well as themselves. Or another way, which I really like to do with our students, is to teach them some form of gratitude training. So in Dubai, we've been asking each of our students to come up with one thing every morning that they're grateful for. And if you look in our character development workbooks, you'll see that over the course of a 90-day term with us, a student has 90 things to look back on and reflect on that they're really grateful for. So just to wrap that up, we've got a 30 to 90 second daily habit routine we teach our students, and a typical routine would be 10 press-ups, 30-second meditation, and writing down one thing they're grateful for. They do this for 90 days, and the whole concept here is to try and stick to something and feel positive because they're accomplishing something before they even leave their room and leave the house. So if you're a Warrior Academy student, it's likely you're already doing this. If you're not yet, then why don't you give this a go with your children and let me know in the comments below how you find it.